Hello everyone, Matthew Simmons here from SimmonsEssentials. Want to bring you another original design, another Christmas knot. This is the Rudolph. Let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to put my tie on my belt line as usual. I'm going to come over here, going to put a dimple in it, come around here like so. I'm going to come up and over like this. Then I'm going to come around like this. Alright, so we're going to have that. Tighten this up around your index finger. Then I'm going to fold it, and I'm going to bring that around folded, just like I did the previous time. Make sure that's folded like this. You're kind of layering it. So then you're going to come around and you're going to do this. Kind of creating that nose there. Create the nose. There you have it. And if you have something that blinks, you can put it in there. It's optional. I'm not going to do that, but you certainly can. Leave it folded in half. Come across like this. Then what I want to do is I want to come back up through here like this. Like that. And then come through here like this. Creating his antlers. And there's his nose. So there you have that. I'm going to put my collar down. You may not have much tie left, but if so, just put it in there like that. There you have the Rudolph. So again, on your own time, my friends, you're fearfully wonderfully made. We'll see you in the next video.